I don't think you're ready for this journey.
This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, yeah, yeah. One more time.
Hey guys, my makeup is done. I am on my way to get my hair done. I'm getting a little sew-in and I'm going blonde, so I'm very excited about that because I've been doing braids for like the past literally this entire year. For the past 8 months I've been getting my hair braided, so I permed my edges. I burned out so much of it trying to keep up with my sewing, like trying to blend it in. So I was like, I'm just gonna perm the leave out so I don't have to keep on like heat damaging my hair. So that's exciting, and I'm just gonna get dressed, run to Starbucks, and then head on over. This shirt is the Skims Fits Everybody tee, and I got it in a medium. It's so comfortable, and I just have on like some accessories. And for shoes, I probably am just gonna put on my Yeezys because they're really comfortable. For my perfume, I'm wearing Burberry Her with my Beija Fleur cream. I've been wearing this combo so much lately, and it smells incredible. It's like an airy strawberry cotton candy. Try this combo, let me know what you think. I've been wearing it every day.
Elevate, elevate. Only obligation is to tell it straight. So much on my plate, I gotta delegate. Vodka, pass a drug, cause we gotta celebrate. I'm in better way, thinking how'd I make. All this happened for myself and my family. All this happened for myself and my family. There's no way that this is real, man, it can't be. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If you need me, you can't call me. I stay busy making money. You know what is on my.
Y'all, tell me why I freaking went on here for the bubblegum drop and it's gone. Like, it's sold out in 5 minutes, literally. Kim, we need to have a word. And I want the smoke color too, but they don't have it.
I don't know patience. I got a chance, then my niggas got it too, like it's contagious. I see the future when I get wavy, but I couldn't picture being champagne when I would buy that shit and save it for the right occasion. I couldn't picture changes when I was with Miss Creighton. That lady hates me. Couldn't picture wife and braided when I was pumping gas on road trips to go from Cincinnati on a date, and I couldn't gauge it. I wanna thank God for working way harder than Satan. It's playing favorites, it feels amazing. Yeah. Elevate, elevate. Only obligation is to tell it straight. Me and all the guys found a better way. This a life bid, we can never separate. I'm in better way, thinking how'd I make. All this happened for myself and my family. All this happened for myself and my family. There's no way that this is real, man, it can't be.
Here it is, the blonde. Because blondes have more fun, period. Okay, so I'm just coming home and I have a few packages. I'm so excited. It's from Dove. Say goodbye to boring showers. Okay, Dove. So they sent me all of their body scrubs. The brown sugar and coconut butter is my absolute favorite. Y'all have to try it. No, this pomegranate seeds one is actually my favorite. That's the best. Actually, I really don't know. These are all amazing. I love the crushed macadamia and rice milk. It's so sweet and milky. This one smells like candy. This one just smells so rich. And then this one is obviously good for the summer. And then there are these pull tabs. So I'm assuming there's something else underneath. Oh my goodness. 20 affirmation cards stay in the shower frame. Custom Dove towel. Shower speaker. A little candle. And then some candy from Sugarfina. So thank you, Dove. I actually think I'm about to eat these right now. I also got a package from Velvet Caviar, but I bought it myself. I just got myself a new phone case because I broke mine, and this is a nude leopard print. And I also got the matching phone grip, which is what I have on this phone. Upstairs in my room, I poured myself a little glass of wine. This is the Tropical Mango. I'm just gonna do a little bit of organizing the stuff that I got today. Yeah, let me know what y'all think of my hair color. Should I try to like make it ashier, or does this look okay? I don't really know, but I'm gonna organize these scrubs. Thanks again to Dove. I am so excited about this because I freaking love their entire scrub line. It's just amazing. So I'm going to reorganize my scrubs. This Tree Hut thing came. Oh, you guys, I recently got some new body care products also in the mail. So thanks, Tree Hut. But Tree Hut sent me these 2 scrubs that are part of their fall line. This is the Velvet Coffee Shea Sugar Scrub. And this one is a lot different than the, I believe it's called like the mocha, their mocha coffee bean scrub. I haven't seen it in a while, but I don't know, I feel like it's sweeter. Like this definitely smells like you just walked inside of Starbucks, but it smells so good. If y'all can get your hands on this one, definitely recommend. And then their new pumpkin spice latte, and pumpkin spice latte is like a must for the fall. Y'all, it smells so good. Like it smells like a candle, like a fall candle. And I can't wait to use this. I need to find a body care combo and share it with you guys because yes. Probably gonna light this candle later tonight. And these shower affirmations that they put are so freaking cute. I manifest abundance by being grateful for what I already have. I love, support, and believe in myself. I'm free of worry and at peace with who I am. I live in a universe where I'm loved and supported. Like, I just love stuff like this. This is adorable. Oh, and a little gold spoon to scoop my scrub. I ordered these little rollers on Amazon because I knew I was getting my hair done, and I love a good pin curl look, so I'm gonna try these out tonight and see how they work out for me. But yeah, I don't really know how I feel about my hair. Like, I'm liking it, but like I feel like it could be a little, I don't know. Next, I got a package from L'Occitane. Not sure, but I see them all the time when I'm at the mall, and I've never tried their products before, so I'm excited that they sent me some goodies. So first, they sent me this Almond Shower Oil, and I heard this stuff is really cool because it like gets a milky lather when you mix it with water. A body cream, almond hand and nail care, Immortelle Divine face cream, Immortelle Divine oil and night serum, and another hand cream. Also, y'all, I have a bunch more stuff to share because I've done so much shopping lately, so this is kind of gonna be like a little haul. Okay, so I recently got some fun stuff from Skims. I went on Essence and I was like trying my little hardest to find this kyanite. Technically this is back to school shopping, okay, because I'm gonna wear these things to school. So I got this little cotton tank in kyanite, and I got this in a size small because it's all they had. But personally, I think that the medium fits a lot more comfortably. It's tight enough to where I don't feel like a bra is necessary, but like, ugh, I don't know. And then I got the cotton jersey tee, also in a size small. Okay, so this is the cotton jersey tee in a size small, color kyanite. And a lot of people say that you need to go up 2 sizes and da da da. But I feel like this fits me perfectly. Like, it's very stretchy, so you can either go true to size or size down. I definitely wouldn't wear it with these shorts because these shorts are too big and it's sort of like emphasizing the bagginess. But very comfortable. Don't even have to wear a bra. It's not see-through like the Fits Everybody shirt. And I just love this color. It's so like, I don't know, just really cute. love, love, love this color. And I actually got this on Essence because it was sold out on Skims. I take back what I said about wishing I got this in a medium because I actually love the fit of this. I just tried it on one night and I was very bloated, and I think that's why I hated it. But y'all, I don't care if this cost me $40. It's so comfortable and I just love the freaking color. And I would wear this with leggings, I would wear this with jeans, I would wear this with a little cardigan over top, like really cozy with some Yeezys. Like, you could make this like cute, or you can make it like, oh, let's go to the bar, let's go get some drinks. Like, this is so versatile, such a versatile piece. I have this in 3 different colors. Still have a little FabFit fun box for fall, so let's dive right into it. Blue. So excited because I haven't got one of these in so long. Oh, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so first is this collapsible cup. When I'm walking around campus and I finish my bottle of water, like, I don't want to walk around with like the cup. This way I can just like fold it up and throw it in my bag. And then it also came with 4 reusable straws. Then this rose hip and lotus mineral milk bath. That smells really good. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells amazing. Then I picked out this NARS blush in the shade Taj Mahal, and if you are like my skin color or darker, this is gonna look amazing on you because it is an orange blush, and orange blushes just look so good on deeper skin tones. I got these black pumpkin fresh peepers, and these are just little under eye gels, and I love a good under eye gel, especially before I do makeup, because I feel like it just makes my makeup application way more seamless. I have been trying to lose weight, so I picked out this fit plan, and I get 3 months of free access to the app, which gives me workout plans and nutrition plans. So can't wait to get started on that. It gives me 3 different resistance bands and customized workout. Then I picked out these little sunshades from this brand called Lily Sudoku, and these are adorable little tortoiseshell frames, and I love the detailing on the ends of the sunglasses. So that entire box cost $39.99, and it's worth way more than that, but you get to customize everything you want to jump into the new season, and I just love it. It's like a little gift to yourself. So if y'all want to try out FabFitFun and get a little discount, you can use my code Sierra, and I'll also leave a link down below, because we have to get ready to transition into fall, so it's time to stock up on all of your favorites to get out of the summer season. A few other little miscellaneous things that I picked up. As soon as it turns August, I need to get pumpkin scented everything. So I got this pumpkin cheesecake candle from Marshall's. It's giving everything it needs to. It smells so good. Like, this is what fall is made of. And I love the little decor on it. I also got this candle from Marshall's. It's goji berry. Just smells clean and fresh. I feel like this is a good one to light in the bathroom. And then lastly is this Tom Ford Effing Fabulous. It smells really good. I feel like it's a little bit masculine, but it's so nice and unisex. It has lavender, tonka bean, leather. It's just very edgy and like cool girl. So I cannot wait to wear this. Hello? I feel like this just screams baddie. For sure. I really love it. It smells so good. It kind of smells similar to the ombre leather, but I just love Tom Ford's private collection. It smells amazing. That's going in the collection. I also have like a bunch of new fall scents, so if y'all want to like a fall fragrance video, let me know, because I love fragrance. As you can tell, I have a million fragrances, and I'm always like trying to show you how to smell good. So if y'all want my fall fragrance lineup, just leave a comment. Okay, I am on a diet, so I need to bake some chicken. So I have my chicken here. I just need to wash it, and then I'm gonna use this House all-purpose rub. So I don't really know. Wait, this is just like my favorite seasoning. It has sea salt, garlic, and black pepper. Roll some of this over it, and then I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, anyways. So now I'm just gonna put this in the oven at 375 for 40 minutes, but I'm gonna wrap the foil around it so that it just gets all juicy and good. My nails are an absolute atrocity. I don't know what my plan is, but I'm just gonna take it off. I'd rather have nothing than that. Yeah, it's just not good for me right now. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of
so freaking tired. So I finally figured out how to get cellular on my iPad because I've had it for like a week and I just opened it a couple of days ago. I was trying to save it for this video, but I just couldn't. Like, I was so excited to have an iPad because I've been wanting one for so long, and I finally just like bit the bullet and bought one because first of all, student discount, and second of all, like, I don't have bills, so why not spend my money? So yeah, I just got myself a little iPad Air, and the cellular just came on like 30 minutes ago, and I was really stressed because I was like, did I just waste my money on a cellular model and it won't even let me get cellular? So now I don't need Wi-Fi. That feels good. And I was in the salon from 10:30 till 7:45, so I was in the salon for 9 hours and I was starving. I didn't record when I ate because I like couldn't even think about that, but I just ate some spaghetti that I made like last night using my Grande Lash, of course. And then this Air Width moisturizer from You to the People. I really like You to the People. This is my first time really like trying their products. I've been trying them for the past like 3 weeks now and I love them. So all right, I do want to put these on tonight, these pumpkin fresh peepers. Oh wow, okay, so this has red algae and konjac, and if you're familiar with konjac, there's like konjac soap and that helps like brighten the skin. So this is supposed to help brighten your under eyes. Okay, yeah, and it says like on for 10 to 15 minutes, but I'm honestly going to, which way should I put this? I feel like maybe I should put it this way, but I'm just gonna leave it on overnight. I always do the most when it comes to like skincare like this. These loose masks are kind of like this, and I go to sleep in them and my skin is just like on point when I wake up. I moved my little candle since it needs a chance to burn all the way to the edge. I'm just gonna turn on the babies here. Hi baby. Hi baby. I'm about to get on my computer and make a few emails, edit some things, and then go to bed because I'm so freaking tired, you guys. I can't even explain it. I just wanted to come back with a little vlog. I did get a lot of packages that I wanted to share, so, but I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.